Hey kids! Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Get ready to learn!
Have you ever had to pick between chocolate or vanilla ice cream? That's called making a decision. It's like being the hero of your very own story, where you get to choose what happens next every single day. Meet the boss of decisions, your brain. It sits inside your head like a captain on a ship, steering you left or right. It uses all the things you see, hear, and feel to help you pick the best way to go. Your brain has two speeds. Sometimes it decides super fast, like pulling your hand away from something hot. Zoom. But for big choices, like picking a birthday gift, it acts like a wise turtle to think carefully. Did you know your feelings help you decide too? If you're hungry, your tummy tells your brain, eat the apple. If you're scared, your feelings say, don't go in the dark. They work together like a team. When a decision is hard, your brain uses an invisible scale. It weighs the good stuff against the not so good stuff. It's like asking, should I play now or finish homework so I can play even more later? Great decision makers are like time travelers. They try to guess what will happen after they choose. If you decide to wear a raincoat now, your future self stays dry and happy in the storm. Uh-oh. Sometimes we make the wrong choice, and that is totally okay. Mistakes are actually amazing because they teach your brain how to make an even better decision next time. You make thousands of choices every day, from what socks to wear to who to play with. So trust your brain, listen to your heart, and have fun being the captain of your own adventure.